Alright, I'm back out painting. This time I actually have a mic, so hopefully this sounds a little better. Alright, I don't know if you can see it. I like this. The leaves are being lit, but the trunks aren't, and they're dark, and then the light. So I think this is what I'm gonna do. Alright, so the plan is to put in all that bright green with watercolor and then kind of take away from it with darker watercolor and then also gouache. So because everything around those greens are not as important, I'm just gonna try and kind of knock them all down with this whatever gray color, because they're not as visually important. Okay, now I'm going to start trying to clump the shapes of all the how do I put it? The clusters of leaves. I'm going to try to draw those outlines so I know what to keep this bright green and what I can kind of sacrifice later. Right now I'm marking where a tree is about to go. Something like that. And one more. This is just texture that will maybe show up later, maybe it won't. Okay, so now I'm taking what might as well just be straight water, but there's a little bit of paint mixed in just to make this background like almost out of focus, because it's not the important part. The trees and the leaves are. here I'm dry brushing because it would take way too long to do all the little, I guess the moving outlines of the leaves and also little twigs and sticks that are here. I don't know what these things are called at the top of the tree, but I know I need to add them in to make sure that I break up some of this green. Alright, so now I just want to add some more, I guess, chaos, because these trees are not like the leaves aren't flat color. There's so many different little, like, shadows and little pieces of light that change. But I want to keep these lightest spots in the leaves, so it really looks like there's light coming through. But everywhere else, I'm adding this kind of fake detail because it really means nothing. I don't usually use black like this, but I didn't think the green was... I don't think there was enough contrast between the background and the leaves like I wanted. So I'm going with black.